Hello! Welcome back, everyone, to the Linguisphere Academy podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam, right here with you. So glad you're with us again.
You know, I was thinking about something this morning. I was listening to a podcast in another language, and they were speaking so fast that I couldn't catch a single word.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's frustrating. You feel like you'll never understand.
Exactly. But then I slowed it down. I played it at half speed. And suddenly, I could hear each word. I could hear the spaces between the words. I could hear the pronunciation.
That's the power of slow English. When you slow things down, your brain has time to process.
Today, our topic is Everyday English Conversation by Slow English Practice. We're going to speak clearly and slowly so you can understand every word.
This episode is for beginners and intermediate learners who want to improve their listening comprehension.
We'll cover everyday topics: greetings, introductions, talking about your day, ordering food, asking for directions, and more.
By the end of this episode, you'll have practiced listening to natural, slow English conversations.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. Lots of examples, lots of repetition, lots of practice.
So get comfortable. Let's start with the most basic conversation. Greetings.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. What a beautiful day.
Yes, it's lovely. The sun is shining.
Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I did. I woke up early and had breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had tea and toast with jam. What about you?
I had coffee and a banana. Simple, but good.
That sounds nice. So what are your plans for today?
I have to go to work. I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
I hope it goes well.
Thank you. What about you? What are you doing today?
I'm going to meet a friend for lunch. Then I need to go to the grocery store.
That sounds like a nice day.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's practice a conversation about introducing yourself.
Hello. I don't think we've met. My name is Sam. What's your name?
Hi, Sam. Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I moved here about 2 years ago. What about you?
I'm from the United States. I've been living here for 5 years.
That's interesting. What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to adults. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small company downtown.
That sounds like a creative job.
It is. I enjoy it very much.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. The people are friendly and the city is beautiful.
I agree. I love it here too.
Well, it was really nice meeting you, Sam.
Nice meeting you too, Alex. Maybe we'll see each other again.
I hope so. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's practice a conversation about talking about your day.
Hey, Sam. How was your day?
It was good. Busy, but good. How about yours?
Pretty good. I had a lot of meetings, but they went well.
That's good to hear. What did you do after work?
I went to the gym for an hour. Then I made dinner at home.
What did you make for dinner?
I made pasta with vegetables. It was simple but tasty.
That sounds delicious. I had leftovers from last night.
Leftovers can be good too. What did you have?
I had rice and chicken. It was okay.
Did you do anything fun after dinner?
I watched a movie on TV. It was a comedy. It made me laugh.
I love a good comedy. What was it called?
I don't remember the name. It was about a family on vacation.
That sounds fun. Maybe I'll look for it.
You should. It was very funny.
Well, I'm glad you had a good day.
Thanks. I'm glad you did too.
Good night, Sam.
Good night, Alex. Sleep well.
Now, let's practice a conversation about ordering food at a restaurant.
Hi, welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
Table for 2, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Your server will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sam. I'll be your server today. Can I start you with something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
And for you?
I'll have a lemonade, please.
Great, I'll be right back with those.
Thank you.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like fries or a salad with that?
Fries, please.
And for you?
I'll have the vegetable pasta, please.
Excellent choices. I'll put your order in right away.
Thank you.
How is everything tasting?
It's delicious, thank you.
Great. Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. Just the check, please.
Of course, I'll be right back.
Here's your check. Take your time. Thank you. Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's practice a conversation about asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station. Is it far from here?
No, it's not far. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Turn left at the traffic lights.
Yes, then walk straight for about 5 minutes. The train station will be on your right.
On my right.
Yes, you can't miss it. It's a big building.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's practice a conversation about shopping for clothes.
Excuse me, can you help me find my size?
Of course. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear medium, but I'm not sure if this shirt will fit.
Let me check. We have medium in the back. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here you go. This is a medium. You can try it on in the fitting room.
Where is the fitting room?
It's over there on the left.
Thank you.
How did it fit?
It's a little too tight. Do you have a large?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here's a large.
Thank you. I'll try this one.
Take your time.
This one fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great. The checkout counter is near the front door.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's practice a conversation about at the doctor's office.
Hello. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
The doctor is ready for you now. Please come this way.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sam. What brings you in today?
I've been feeling very tired lately. I also have a headache.
How long have you been feeling this way?
For about a week.
Do you have any other symptoms?
No, just tiredness and headaches.
Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I've been having trouble falling asleep.
I see. Let me check your blood pressure.
Okay.
Your blood pressure is normal. I think you might just need more rest.
So nothing serious?
No, I don't think so. Try to get more sleep and drink plenty of water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. If you don't feel better in a week, please come back.
I will. Thank you again.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's practice a conversation about talking about hobbies.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading. I read almost every day.
That's nice. What kind of books do you like?
I really enjoy mystery novels. I love trying to figure out the ending.
Oh, I like mysteries too. Do you have a favorite author?
I like Agatha Christie. Her books are classic.
I've heard of her. I should read one of her books.
You should. They're very good.
What about other hobbies? Do you do anything else?
I also like to cook. I try new recipes on weekends.
That's fun. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I make a really good pasta dish. It's my specialty.
That sounds delicious. Maybe you can cook for me sometime.
Haha, maybe. What about you? What do you like to do?
I enjoy hiking. I go to the mountains every chance I get.
That sounds wonderful. The fresh air must be nice.
It is. It helps me clear my mind.
I should try hiking sometime too.
You should. It's very relaxing.
Well, it was nice talking about our hobbies.
Yes, it was. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now, let's practice a conversation about talking about the weather.
Beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it's lovely. The sun is shining and the sky is blue.
I hope the weather stays like this for the weekend.
Me too. I'm planning to go for a walk in the park.
That sounds nice. What's the forecast for tomorrow?
I heard it might rain in the afternoon.
Oh no, I hope it doesn't rain. I have plans outside.
Me too, but we can't control the weather.
That's true. We'll just have to wait and see.
At least it's warm today. I love warm weather.
Me too. I don't like the cold at all.
Same here. Winter is my least favorite season.
I prefer spring and fall. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, those are the best.
Well, I hope you enjoy your walk.
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's practice a conversation about talking about family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He's older than me.
What does he do?
He's a doctor. He works at a hospital in the city.
That's impressive. Do you have any other siblings?
No, just the one brother. What about you?
I have 2 sisters. I'm the oldest.
Are you close with them?
Yes, very close. We talk almost every day.
That's nice. Family is important.
I agree. What about your parents? Where do they live?
They live in a small town about 2 hours from here.
Do you visit them often? I try to visit once a month, sometimes more.
That's good. It's important to stay connected.
Yes, it is. Do your parents live nearby?
Yes, they live about 20 minutes away. I see them often.
That's nice. You're lucky.
I know. I'm very grateful.
Well, it was nice talking about family.
Yes, it was. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's practice a conversation about talking about travel.
Has you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have. I've been to France and Italy.
Wow, that's amazing. When did you go?
I went to France 2 years ago. I went to Italy last year.
Did you enjoy it?
I loved it. The food was amazing and the people were friendly.
I've always wanted to go to Italy. What was your favorite part?
I loved the historical buildings. The architecture was beautiful.
That sounds wonderful. What about France? What did you like there?
I liked the cafes. Sitting outside, drinking coffee, watching people. It was very relaxing.
I hope to travel there someday.
You should. It's worth it.
Have you been anywhere else?
No, just those 2 countries, but I want to travel more.
Where do you want to go next?
I'd like to visit Japan. The culture seems fascinating.
I've heard Japan is beautiful. I'd love to go there too.
Maybe we can go together someday.
Ha, maybe.
Well, it was nice talking about travel.
Yes, it was. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's practice a conversation about talking about work.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to adults.
That's a noble profession. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. I love helping people learn and grow.
How long have you been teaching?
For about 5 years now.
That's a long time. What do you like most about your job?
I like seeing my students improve. When they finally understand something, it's very satisfying.
I can imagine. What about you? What do you do? I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small marketing agency.
That sounds creative. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I enjoy creating things and solving visual problems.
How long have you been doing that?
For about 3 years. I started right after university.
That's great. It's nice to have a job you enjoy.
Yes, it is. I feel very lucky.
Well, it was nice talking about work.
Yes, it was. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's practice a conversation about talking about weekend plans.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday.
That sounds nice. What are you going to do with them?
We're going to have lunch together and then watch a movie.
That sounds lovely. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'm going to stay home and relax, maybe read a book.
That sounds perfect. What about you? What are your plans?
I'm going to hiking on Saturday morning. Then in the evening, I'm meeting friends for dinner.
That sounds fun. Where are you going hiking?
There's a nice trail about an hour from here. I've been wanting to try it.
I hope the weather is good for you.
Thank you. I hope so too.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'm going to clean my apartment and do laundry. Not fun, but necessary.
I know the feeling. I need to do laundry too.
It never ends, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Well, I hope you have a great weekend.
You too. Enjoy your time with your parents.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now, let's review some key vocabulary from these conversations.
Greeting, a way to say hello. Good morning is a greeting.
Introduce, to tell someone your name. Let me introduce myself.
Order, to ask for food or drink. I'd like to order a coffee.
Directions, instructions to find a place. Can you give me directions?
Size, how big or small something is. What size do you wear?
Symptoms, signs of illness. I have a headache and a fever.
Hobby, an activity you enjoy. Reading is my favorite hobby.
Weather, the condition outside. The weather is sunny and warm.
Family, parents, siblings, relatives. I have a brother and a sister.
Travel, going to another place. I love to travel to new countries.
Work, your job. What do you do for work?
Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. What are your weekend plans?
Now, let's practice some common questions and answers.
Question: How are you?
Answer: I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Question: What's your name?
Answer: My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Question: Where are you from?
Answer: I'm from Canada. What about you?
Question: What do you do?
Answer: I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Question: Do you like it here?
Answer: Yes, I do. The people are friendly.
Question: What are your hobbies?
Answer: I like reading and cooking.
Question: Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Answer: Yes, I'm going to visit my parents.
Question: How was your day?
Answer: It was good. Busy, but good.
Question: What did you eat for breakfast?
Answer: I had coffee and toast.
Question: What's the weather like today?
Answer: It's sunny and warm.
Now, here's your challenge for this week.
Listen to this episode again. Listen to each conversation multiple times.
Then, practice saying the sentences out loud. Try to copy our pronunciation and intonation.
Then, find a partner and practice the conversations together.
If you don't have a partner, practice with yourself. Record your voice and listen back.
Then, come back and tell us in the comments, which conversation was your favorite?
We read every comment. Your progress inspires us and other listeners.
Remember, slow English practice is the best way to improve your listening comprehension.
When you understand slow English, you can work up to faster English.
Be patient with yourself. Learning takes time. Every day you get a little better.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep learning. And hey, before you go, if this episode helped you practice your listening, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these slow English episodes.
Yes, please. And leave us a comment. Which conversation did you like the most?
We read every comment. Your feedback helps us make better episodes.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more people practice slow English.
Thanks again, everyone. Now go practice your listening.
Bye for now.
Bye.